Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Alright guys, so this is my skin. I really want to do a video on my skin, but more on it when my hair comb, because when my hair comb I feel a little bit better when my hair is combed. But I'm going to do a video on my skin because if I not nothing, you know, as in nothing new. With the same products that I have, I've had clear skin and bad skin. I don't know why as women, like, well, for some of us, our bodies respond how it responds when like in terms of trauma. But that's what my body does, and my skin, my face, and then I can't stop pick it because I'm thinking my skin looks like absolute shit, which is why I'm glad for this phone now, because at least we can put on the smoothing pan it. I have one mirror, see there? My one mirror back so I can't see, because as you know, I'm using the rear camera.
Snake's burrow. The maid of the princes notices it and he yells out to the guards.
Good morning guys, it is the 7th of February, it's a Monday, and I had egg, I do them TRD, but somebody, well, 2 people actually made this suggestion. I cannot start over again on my YouTube because there is a lot of issues that's happening right now with my AdSense. Again, it's not something I have brought to the, I've said to you guys, but it's like monthly. So I am genuinely hesitant to start another channel and then go through the same foolishness again with getting paid. I am really afraid. But I don't know, because I've had this channel for a very long time. There's been other YouTubers have had the channel and they've not had to start over. What most of them they've had to do is just kind of rework their channel for this time period and then grow from there. And then most of these people that have even opportunities that I don't have, and because I have been inconsistent, there is no consistency with my uploads at all, especially for the past couple of years. And I stopped, then I deleted videos, like things people just won't let me forget. So yeah, so it's just like that's where I am now. What on earth am I going to do? Am I really going to make another channel, or am I just going to be doing like this one?
Burrow and perch on the tree. The jewel landed on the neck of the sea. Guards hear the maid shriek and start to run behind the crow. They notice the crow leaping snake. Wow, that's a lovely jewel.
Now let's put it in the refrigerator.
I love you.
I love you.
With Create Studio Pro, you can create amazing 3D character explainers just like Pixar, and you never
You can click it off,
use
Papa.
complex 3D software.
Okay,
Use your
sorry.
mind rigging and designing characters, or have to spend thousands.
Hey guys, so I guess I'm on a roll today. I'm just filming. So this is how you wrap your Pome Fitness belt. You can put it through the loop. There's a loop here. You can actually put it through the loop, but I don't like putting it through the loop because of how I wear my belt. I wear my belt for promo as well, sorry. So I like to be able to flip it on, to take it on and off. If it's in the loop, it's difficult to come on and off as I so desire for whatever given situation, you see me? And sometimes when I'm on the road and I want to remove the belt as well, which happens, I do that. I do take my belt off. Yeah, it helps. So when I feel like put it down on the ground and nothing, I just flip this, block up, and just take it off. Block up. So this is the Pome Fitness belt, you guys, right now for $45 instead of $55 on my website, shopbylyric.com. Please enjoy the rest of the video. This is my ad. So I've been up. I set up differently this time. I'm on the floor, but I am unable to film, and I wanted to. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do my makeup and just film a beauty and the Bible. Let's do my makeup, film a beauty and the Bible. Okay. I hope I was in focus.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things.
Good morning. Nothing.
Not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to.
It's been an amazing morning so far, you guys. Now I'm going to be heading to the studio today. Yeah, with how I've been feeling, I need to write something. So I'll be going to the studio today to just vibe and write and just hang out with friends. I just want to be around people now. Not that it's like gotten better, but no, I want to be around people, because sometimes you don't want to be around people and now you do. So now I do. So I'm gonna go do that after this. But this morning I did an entire video just talking, which means that I ain't got shit to say now except my skin is skinning, blood cleanse. This guys, you see this morning I wake up, you see right here, so hey, they're telling me hi, I'm at Campion, remember guys? So yeah, so this coming like my cheek a breed like it's I gotta have triplets. Watch it, like my cheek a bleed like I'm gonna have triplets. Come on, tell you now, wake up this morning, my birth is pus. So I have COVID. Because when it's a 2023 COVID, she just get hype. And she switch up fair symptoms to blood cleanse. But that boogo me eat, oh God. And I love me though. And I must love me, yeah? I'm sorry guys, I hate this friggin' phone. I hate it. I can't do anything on friggin' social media. That's how I post. Whenever I put out what my pictures to post on Instagram, when I align them in a particular way, so it shows like, so I take the picture this way, but I want to align it so it's this way. When I align it this way and put it to Instagram, that bitch put it right back this way. When I had my iPhone, they didn't do it. It undid with this stupid ass Samsung. I don't know why people have Samsungs. Just a friggin' door catch. Why do you have a Samsung? Snapchat doesn't work with my Samsung, you know? Whenever I use Snapchat, the filter, or without the filter, anytime in any other app, in a Snapchat, it's just grainy. That means 13310 record. That means 13310 record. Let me I use my Samsung camera for record one security screen camera, and the quality I get back from my Samsung screen at the Samsung quality and the real phone and money spent for. I'm very effing annoyed, and that's why I wasn't filming for so long, because it was draining not having, like, with my phone being messed up, and then what happened, and now having this thing. I hate this thing so much. I can't do shit with it. I don't know what to do. I'm not a Samsung person. And then I recognize that because I'm going to the phone trying to find things with Apple. I'm like, shit, I don't have my notes. Where are my notes? Oh my God, I don't have my notes. I don't have my damn notes. How am I going to be successful without my notes? I don't like this phone, you guys. So there goes that. So I'm gonna play football and I'm keep on kick it out, and them now learn to stop. So until them learn it, now to stop my love, and then I'm gonna run in this class. Anyway, yeah, it was a culture shock. I recognized, and I was so sad. I was so flipping sad. I think this is your mommy, right, baby? Okay, perfect. So this is what I'm going to use, and then we're done. I'm all done, you guys.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love